Hey there, curious minds, and welcome back to What Is. Today, we're doing some serious pocket archaeology. You're holding it right now, aren't you? That sleek rectangle of digital wonder, your window to the world, your constant companion. We ask, what is a smartphone made of? But have you ever really stopped to think, what is this thing actually made of? Is it magic? Tiny hamsters running on wheels? Bits of pure thought from the internet? Well, not quite. It's actually a mind-bogglingly complex cocktail of chemistry, geology, and human ingenuity. Buckle up, because we're about to dismantle your digital darling, element by element. Metaphorically, of course. Please don't actually try this at home. Your warranty will not love you. Let's start with the most obvious part, that gorgeous, crack-prone rectangle of wonder. The screen. It's mostly specialized glass, often named after mythical beasts like Gorilla Glass or Dragon Trail. This isn't your grandma's window pane. It's chemically strengthened aluminosilicate, meaning it's designed to be tough. You know, tough enough for everyone else but you. Apparently, when it slips from your grasp onto concrete, for the vibrant, retina-searing colors you love, we thank a dash of rare earth elements. We're talking dysprosium, terbium, neodymium, tongue twisters that glow like tiny auroras, bringing your selfies to life. And if your phone has an OLED screen, it's also packed with complex organic compounds that light up individually. Fancy. Now, what powers all this magic? The battery. That volatile, tiny brick of energy is almost always a lithium-ion battery. So, we've got lithium, cobalt, graphite, and a few other choice elements you definitely wouldn't want to lick. Think of it as your phone's super-caffeinated heart, constantly buzzing with enough power to last. Well, until you open that one mobile game. Next up, the brain of the operation, the processor and all the intricate circuit boards. These are mostly made from silicon. Yes, silicon as in sand. So, technically, your phone is partly made of beach. Just a really, really expensive, highly refined, microscopic transistor-filled kind of beach. To connect all these microscopic highways, we've got a whole lot of copper, tin, and even tiny amounts of gold and silver. Yes, gold. Your phone is literally fancier than your old jewelry box. It's like a tiny, metallic plumbing system for electrons, guiding them along billions of pathways. What about the bits that make noise? Your speaker, microphone, and that satisfying vibration motor. They all rely on magnets, often made with more rare earth elements like neodymium. The speaker and microphone also use thin diaphragms of various plastics or metals to convert sound waves into electrical signals, and vice versa. And that little ZZZZZ in your pocket, that's typically an off-center weight on a tiny motor shaft, turning quickly to make your phone dance. The outer shell, the bit you actually hold, that's typically aluminum alloy, perhaps some stainless steel, and a variety of plastics or even more glass for the back panel. These materials are chosen for their durability, lightness, and ability to look incredibly sleek, while simultaneously attracting every single fingerprint known to humanity. And let's not forget the tiny camera lenses, made of specialized glass and carefully crafted to capture your pet's most photogenic moments. The actual image sensor itself is another marvel of silicon technology, converting light into digital data. Your phone also has antennas, often made of copper or silver, allowing it to beam signals through the air to connect you to Wi-Fi, cell towers, and the infinite wisdom of TikTok. So, when you consider it all, your smartphone isn't just a gadget. It's a tiny, portable universe, a global scavenger hunt of resources. Really. From the mines of Africa for cobalt, to the processing plants in Asia, to assembly lines around the world. Every tap, swipe, and selfie is connected to a vast, invisible network of human ingenuity. And a whole lot of digging. The next time you're mindlessly scrolling, remember, you're holding a tiny miracle of chemistry, geology, and engineering. It's an incredible testament to what we can achieve when we combine raw materials with brilliant minds. And whether you're using it to cure cancer or just watch cat videos, it's pretty astonishing. If you learned something new today, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to What Is For more deep dives into the ordinary and the extraordinary. And tell us in the comments below, what's the weirdest thing you thought a smartphone was made of? Or what other everyday object should we dissect next? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.